All right, let's talk about this passage. This is from Thomas Paine's. Okay. All right, guys, let's talk about what this passage means. These are the times that try men's souls. That means that this particular time is going to be difficult. The summer soldier and the sunshine patriot will, in this crisis, shrink from the service of their country. If you know what a fair weather fan is, that's a summer soldier. A fair weather fan likes a team when that team is winning and likes a different team when the other team is winning. A summer soldier is someone that will fight when things are going well. The sunshine patriot is someone who similarly will fight when things are going well. And Thomas Paine says that they're going to shrink from the service of their country. As in, because these are going to be very difficult times, the fair weather fans are going to not want to serve their country. They're going to think it's too hard and thus avoid doing it. But he that stands by it now deserves the love and thanks of man and woman. Pretty simple. The soldier who stands by this country now deserves the love of man and woman. Tyranny, like hell, is not easily conquered. Yet we have this consolation with us, that the harder the conflict, the more glorious the triumph. What's he saying over there? Basically, the harder the battle, the more glorious the victory. Now things are going to get a little bit more importantly subtle. What we obtain too cheap, we esteem too lightly. That means if you buy something that doesn't cost a lot, you don't like it enough. You don't respect this thing because you bought it for $2. It is dearness only that gives everything its value. Dearness means expensiveness. And basically says the more expensive something is, the more valuable it's going to be to you. The more you pay for a thing, the more you'll value it. Heaven knows how to put a proper price upon its goods. And it would be strange indeed if so celestial an article as freedom should not be highly rated. Now, this is tricky. This means that heaven knows how to set a price on whatever it's offering. If something's not that good, it charges very little. If something's really, really good, it charges a lot. And he says that it would be really strange if celestial means heavenly. If such a heavenly thing as freedom, it would be bizarre if that didn't cost a lot. Freedom is supposed to cost a lot. Britain, with an army to enforce her tyranny, has declared that she has a right not only to tax, but to bind us in all cases whatsoever. And if being bound in that manner is not slavery, then there is no such a thing as slavery upon this earth or upon earth. What does that mean? It says that Britain has said that they can control the colonists in every situation, in tax, regulation, laws, imprisonment, whatever they want to do. And Thomas Paine says, if their supposed right to bind us in all cases that could possibly exist, if that's not slavery, then nothing is slavery. So that's what this passage means. Now, this is a tough passage, so if you figured out any part of this on your own, that makes you mighty. You know why? If you can do this kind of stuff without your school, well, you can do anything without your school. All right, let's get to the next section.